how to cure a headache or a migraine in under 5 minutes. I'm about to tell you. So if you're new, welcome to the channel. And if you're returning, welcome back to the channel. You guys already know that in this channel, I don't talk about health things, nothing of that nature. However, I found this very useful tip and I wanted to share it with you guys. I naturally, it's in my genes to get headaches and migraines because it runs in my family. It really does. And I always get headaches. I've actually had to go to the doctor, and I've gotten medication for that, as well as my other brothers. My other brothers suffer from headaches as well. And the last time that I went, I actually was told to take magnesium every single day, and I have been doing that for over a year. It's been like a year and some change, and it has helped prevent them. However, I still get them. I still get my migraines, and sometimes it's so intense. Like, I've had this headache for about 3-4 days already, non-stop. It comes and goes throughout the days, but today it was so intense. Like, it was a full-on migraine. I could feel all the tension on my head, my sides, and the light was just bugging me. I was not in a good mood at all whatsoever. And I looked it up on YouTube, how to get rid of a headache, like instantly. I didn't want to hear the whole rub your tension, I didn't want to hear all that. I wanted something that I could take naturally. So if you don't know, I do work at a warehouse, and I mostly work with spices. And I was told to take ginger root powder. However, we do not have ginger root powder right now. And guess what we have? We have this ginger root. So I only got like a little amount like this, and I took it with some water. I just drank it. I drank about 8 ounces of water with it. I cannot tell you how grateful I am for that information, because under 5 minutes, my headache was completely gone. It's gone. So if you have a headache, if you suffer from headaches, if you know someone that suffers from headaches, y'all need to get some ginger root or ginger root powder. It might not taste pleasant, it might not be the best option, but you know what? It worked for me. So anyways, thanks so much for watching.